In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically label emails from a specific sender in Gmail. We're going to set up a simple filter in Gmail so that any future message from a particular sender automatically gets labeled, keeping your inbox tidy without any extra effort. I'll walk you through the process on a computer since the steps are clearest on the desktop version of Gmail. First, sign into your Gmail account in your web browser. Make sure you're in the account where you want this filter to live. Once you're in your inbox, locate an email from the sender you want to auto-label. It's easiest to use a message you already have from them because Gmail can pull the address directly and avoid typos. Open that email so you're viewing it on its own page. At the top of the message, find the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click that menu and choose Filter Messages like this. Gmail will open a filter window with the sender's address pre-filled so you don't have to type it manually. In that filter window, click Create Filter. You'll now see the list of actions you can apply to messages that match this sender. Check the option called Apply the Label. Then click the drop-down next to it to choose the label you want. If you already have the label you want, simply select it. If you don't have an existing label yet, choose Create New Label from that same drop-down. A small box will appear asking for the label name. Type a clear, short name that makes sense to you, like the company or project name, then click Create. This adds the label to your account and selects it for the filter automatically. With the label selected, you're ready to finalize. Click Create Filter to save your settings. That's it. New emails from that sender will now arrive with the label you chose, making them easy to find in the left sidebar and simple to group, archive, or review later. A quick note on labels. They're like folders, but more flexible. You can apply multiple labels to the same message, and you can manage labels from the left sidebar anytime. Keep your naming consistent so your inbox stays organized as you add more filters over time. You're done. From now on, Gmail will automatically apply your chosen label to that sender's messages, helping you stay organized with no extra clicks.